先 First. This is a good word to know in the classroom, as you are likely to often hear your teachers introducing topics with 先. For example, 今天我们要先讲中国历史. Today, we're going to first talk about Chinese history. This is the first first-tone word we're encountering in this lesson. Remember? We sing the first tone. Try it now. 先小吃 snacks. We've seen before how oftentimes Chinese translates very literally. 小吃 is another great example of this. 小 means small, while 吃 means eat. It doesn't require that much effort for us to equate small eating with snacks. 小 is the lesson's first occurrence of the third tone. 小. You should begin the third tone down to your vocal register, and from there, bring it up to your normal speaking register. 吃 is the first tone again. So lucky you! You get to sing again. Give it a try. 小吃小吃摊 vendor, stall. Well, our definition here is vendor or stall. 摊 also means to spread out. So, if we are talking about a street vendor, we can imagine in ancient times, they may very well have first been laying or spreading out their wares on a blanket, for example. From this verb, the word later came to take on the meaning of the stand itself. 带 to take, to carry, to bring. For students of English, the difference between take and bring can be confusing. However, for you, lucky Chinese learners, 带 covers it all with one easy word. Please bring your book to class. 请带你的书来上课. Take your book home. 带你的书回家. 再 again, another, then, once more. 再 could perhaps most simply be translated as re. That is the re we sing in so many English words like rewrite, 再写一次, repeat, 再讲一次, and review, 再看一次. Another time, you may want to use 再 when you are out at a bar with friends and want to order another beer. 再来一杯. 热闹 lively, bustling. As a native, I can tell you that 热闹 is a very popular concept in Taiwan. Night markets all across the country are usually jam-packed and full of sounds, smells, and activity. This is precisely what we're talking about when we say 热闹. If you still do not think you understand the meaning of 热闹, I suggest you visit Taiwan during an election season, when parades, floats, and banners fill the streets almost 24/7. This is 热闹. 对 correct, right. No mystery here. 对 means right. You'll hear it dozens of times daily, and its usage is identical to that of English. Right? Right. 对吗？对啊。不客气. You're welcome. As we've seen before, 不 means no or not. 客气 by itself means polite. Hence, when someone tells you 不客气, They're literally telling you, don't be polite, which can most often be understood as, you're welcome, or don't mention it. So, or both. Though is a flexible word. It's often used to specify two people or things, meaning both. But it's also often used to talk about everybody or everything. Though, for example, 我们两个都喜欢狗. We both like dogs. Or the everybody scenario. 他们都想去. Everybody wants to go.